Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the payment failed issue on Buy Me a Coffee. If your payment keeps getting declined, stuck, or not going through properly, don't worry because I'll walk you through several fixes that usually solve the problem pretty quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, sometimes payments fail simply because the page loses connection while processing the transaction. Try refreshing the page or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on a phone. Next, carefully check your payment information. Make sure your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address are entered correctly. Even a small typing mistake can cause the payment to fail immediately. If your details are correct but the payment still fails, your bank may be blocking the transaction. Some banks automatically flag online or international payments for security reasons. So try contacting your bank or checking your banking app for blocked transaction alerts. Now try using a different payment method if possible. For example, switch to another debit card, credit card, or supported payment option like PayPal if it's available in your region. Sometimes one payment provider may temporarily reject transactions while another works normally. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old session data can sometimes interfere with payment pages. After clearing the cache, reopen the browser and try the payment again. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, try disabling it temporarily. Yeah, some payment systems may reject transactions when they detect unusual traffic or location changes. If the issue still continues, open Buy Me a Coffee in another browser or on a different device. Sometimes browser compatibility issues can stop payment pages from loading correctly. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the Buy Me a Coffee payment failed problem in 2026. Hopefully, one of these methods solved the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.